Namaste everyone. I am Manoranjani, working as an assistant professor in Department of Mathematics in Sri Shakti Kalash Women's College. Today we are going to discuss about difference between correlation and regression. First we see correlation. Correlation refers to a statistical measure that determines the relationship between two variables. It depicts the degree to which two variables are correlated. Correlation coefficient is a statistical measure which determines how strongly the pair of variables are correlated or connected. It is denoted by R and it ranges from -1 to +1. Here I shown a example figure for positive correlation, that is R is equal to +1, and negative correlation, that is R is equal to -1. If no correlation means R is equal to 0. Now we see regression. Regression implies the statistical tool used to identify the nature of relationship existing between a dependent variable and a set of independent variables. Now we see the differences between correlation and regression. First one is meaning. Correlation, as the name suggests, is a statistical measure that ascertains the correlationship between two variables. Regression refers to a group of statistical processes that estimates the relationship between dependent variable and one or more independent variable. And the objective of correlation is to obtain the numerical value that depicts the relationship between variables. And the objective of regression is to determine the value of random variable depending on the values of the fixed variable. And correlation represents the degree to which two variables move together. Regression represents the effect of one unit change in the known variable, that is x, on the estimated variable, that is y. And the range of correlation is -1.002 to +1.00. Range of regression is if byx greater than 1, then bxy less than 1. And the coefficient of correlation is independent of any change of scale or shift in origin. Coefficient of regression is dependent on the change of scale, however it is independent of shift in origin. The nature of coefficient of correlation is mutual and symmetrical, and the nature of coefficient of regression is not symmetrical. And the usage of correlation is it shows the linear relationship between two variables, and the usage of regression is it fits the best line and estimates one variable on the basis of another. Thank you.